For our second sample of a percent problem, we have 333 defective syringes were produced during a day. Given that 4% of all the syringes produced were defective, how many syringes were produced in all? Once again, I will start with the percent. So right here is my 4%. I'll make that into a fraction, 4 out of 100. In my second fraction, I know I'm looking for the part divided by the total. When I read this problem, I recognize that the 333 defective ones would only be part of all the ones that were produced, so I'll put the 333 as the numerator. My x goes in the denominator this time. Once again, I'll use the cross product, so 4 times x is 4x. 100 times 333 will give me 33300. To complete solving, I'll need to get x by itself, so I'll divide by 4 on both sides. 4's cancel, and I have x is equal to 8,325 syringes. Once again, to recap, when I do a percent problem, I always locate the percent and start there, making that out of 100. I'm setting it up so that I have part over total, and then using the proportion to solve.